Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Ego cordless battery powered blower. This is a 760 CFM model. First reason is it's just super powerful. We're going to show you when I clean some leaves off here. Second reason is I can lock the lever on. So with this, which I'll show you, I can take my handle off the trigger. Third reason is it's just very well balanced. I like the turbo boost. And also right here, if I get some leaves, which inevitably you will when you're blowing leaves, they're gonna get caught on here and I can get those off really, really easy. So let's see how this blower is going to do with all of these leaves. Okay, so first I'm going to show you with this nozzle. I'm going to show you on the different speeds. Wow, is that powerful? Let's go to turbo. That thing is extremely powerful. I mean, I feel like I don't have to keep walking with the leaves. I can just stand back and blow them a really far away. Now let's try the tapered nozzle. It works really good too. Okay, let's try the tapered nozzle. You don't get as much force in one area. It's more of a cover. So if blowing leaves a long distance on the grass, this might help. But if you're needing more power, you're going to use the tapered nozzle. Now I've got it on turbo boost. There's just high. Turbo. Okay, so let me demonstrate. I've got the tapered nozzle on. I'm gonna get a really concentrated stream. They're really concentrated right here. Let's give it a try. I like that it's not super loud either, but it's really, really powerful. And again, the locking, I can lock on what position I want. There's low, so say I just want to lightly blow. I don't have to pull the trigger. So I'm a huge Ego Power fan. I've had another blower, which I'm going to compare it to, but this is their most expensive, most powerful. $230 without the battery and charger. Now I have been experimenting with Ego batteries are kind of expensive, so I thought I would experiment with this kind of like generic one. It seems okay for now. Time will tell. This one was $80. I'll put a link to it in the show description notes. Again, I absolutely love Ego Power Equipment. I think they have great customer service. I've had to contact them for just some things, but they've always gotten back to me. I even had their Ego riding mower. I've got the Ego riding mower. I've got the Ego pressure washer, Ego blower, Ego chainsaw. I absolutely love all of them. If you're looking for cordless, battery-powered equipment that you use around your yard, I do think Ego is a trusted brand. I've bought all of these products with my own money. I'm not paid for this video. Ego's never contacted me, but This is just from proven real world experience. This is what I use around my house. We have a ton of leaves. The mower, we spent it was over $5,000. So that was our own money we spent on that. And I did a lot of research. I've had it 2 years, absolutely love it. Go check out those videos. I've got all kinds, I need to do an update video on it. Just to how, I haven't had any problems on it. So I need to do an update on how well it's been doing. So Ego is just a great brand to get into. I think it's very well established. I think they're here for the long run and they keep innovating. I mean, they've got little motorbikes you can ride around now. So, and they've got this is like a standard battery pack. I can use this on my mower, my chainsaw, different sizes, but I like a commonality between all of these things. That's why I bought this without a battery and a charger, because I've got about 2 or 3 chargers now from buying equipment. I don't need a battery. I got battery. This is the battery, or I got a battery from a chainsaw I could use. But these, I love it. Their batteries are kind of expensive, but so I'm going to try these generic ones and see how it does. But I absolutely love Ego Power Equipment. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Also, be sure and check out my coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. You can buy it at justadadcoffee.com, or underneath the video, there'll be a little pop-up where you can buy it off of my store. That'll take you to justadadcoffee.com. I sell it in the whole bean and the ground coffee and in the K-Cup. And I ordered mine about a week ago, and that's what I've been using in this espresso machine, and I absolutely love it. The beans look a little bit light, but it's a dark to medium roast. I think it tastes really good. I've had iced coffee, regular coffees, and I've had espressos. So this coffee, the coffee that I sell, does really good with espresso, iced coffee, cold brew coffee, and just regular coffee in this machine. And also other drip coffee makers. So if you're looking for a coffee bean that just works in the brand new Ninja espresso machine, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. So if you could give me a follow over on Instagram, and I have 2 Facebook pages, a Facebook page and a Facebook group page. I really would appreciate a follow. I do free giveaways there and kind of behind the scenes and how things are going. And that's the best way to communicate with me. My group page, you can leave a post and I'll try to answer it as soon as I can, but that's the best way to ask me questions and to see what's going on with the page. And again, I do use affiliate links. I am an affiliate with Shark and Ninja, Amazon and Walmart. So if one of the links down below, you click on it, it takes you to one of those websites and you end up purchasing the product. The product won't cost you anymore, but I will get a small commission from the sale. It is a way of helping support my channel. That way I can continue to do these videos that I love. I really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could hit the thumbs up button, that really does help out my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe, leave in the comments if you'd like to see something else reviewed or this compared to something. I look at the comments and I really do appreciate everybody's feedback. So again, if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So I do have lots of exciting videos coming up. I got the brand new Narwhal Frio Z Ultra. I've got the comparisons I'm going to be doing. I'll be doing best in class, like a best $1,000, best $700 robot vacuum cleaner, best mopping robot vacuum cleaner. Got the brand new Shark Detect with auto empty station. Got the brand new Shark Carpet Expert carpet cleaner. I've got the Dream H4 wet dry vacuum and the Dream portable carpet cleaner. And again, lots of other detailed videos and comparisons. Dream X40, Eufy X10 Pro Omni, Roborock Q-Revo Max V. I've even got this Eufy C20. It kind of snuck up on me. It's in the Amazon. I haven't found it on their website, but I did buy it. Dyson. This is the brand new Wash G1 upright like a Tineco. The Roomba Essentials. This one's probably not going to be very good, but they have an auto empty station with it. Bissell's got a little green machine. I got a detailed review, or my mother-in-law has used the Dream L10S for 3 months, and I'll be doing a cleaning on it. That's my very next video. Tineco's got this brand new Go H20. Not sure. Looks a little different. And I'll be comparing it with the other robots. And we got the Crosswave, Shark Hydrovacs, lots of Tinecos back here. So I really do appreciate everybody's support. I do use affiliate links. So if you click on the link underneath the video, it'll take you to a website, either the Shark website, maybe Walmart, maybe even Amazon. And if you end up purchasing the product using that link, the product won't cost you anymore, but I get a small commission from the sale. It is a way of helping support my channel. Again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. I like to be able to get these vacuums, give you my honest opinion about them. Also, if you could hit the like and subscribe button. I got lots more robot vacuum cleaners. I got some exciting news about a robot vacuum cleaner studio coming really soon. We bought a building in town. We're remodeling it right now. It's going to be a focus on robot vacuum cleaners, different floor types and different things. So really, really exciting about that. So here's some pictures. We've been demoing the room. This is going to be a storage room. This is going to be one of the rooms with the robots. We put a wall here. This is going to be going into the studio, so we're pretty excited about it. It's going to take us a while. I haven't been making many videos because I've actually had to go here and I've had to do some of the electrical work and quite a bit of cleaning out. So again, if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.